Woo!
Adam's in there, bro.
Adam's in there, brother. I did, brother. You're good.
You told me to look out for him.
Ah, sweet, brother. Yeah, let me come chat to him. He's in there. Woo! HD heaven.
Let's do it. Let's be uncivilized.
What's going on, people? Another vid. We're being hella consistent. Do you know what? This is like one of them mad spontaneous rides. I'm literally going just to meet the boys, Central London. My boy called me, he's like, do you want to link up and just go for a ride? I was like, hell yeah. Then he was just like, yeah, we got 3 H2s with us. I was just like, hell yeah, even more, let's do it. So, that's what we're doing. We're going to Central London. Hell yeah, having a bit of fun. But yeah, guys, welcome back to the channel. We have got some amazing weather in the UK right now. Sunset looking hella gorgeous, so yeah, just hopefully we can get a good video though. Some good content for you guys tonight. Damn, this sunset's looking hella fine. Damn. There you guys, I kinda wish I was filming before, because if you lot saw the cars that I saw, some nice Aventadors, 2 Aventadors actually, Aventador S, Aventador Roadster, R8 V10 Plus, facelifts, but we're in Central London, so it's got to be expected. Oh, why am I stuck here? Boys are quickly eating out at a restaurant, salt-based place. I kind of heard that place is overrated. I don't know, if any of you guys have eaten there, let me know, but I heard it's overrated. We shall see. Tons of people out, Buckingham Palace. Go past, you wanna go past? But this place is police ridden, so I ain't doing that. No thank you. Oh bike, why'd you want fuel out of me, man? It's kind of annoying. Oh, this traffic. This is why I don't like riding in London. This is rubbish. I think last time I drove down here, I was driving a Lambo. Alright, so my boy said they're all parked outside here somewhere. I ain't got a clue where, but I guess it's somewhere here. No, not that one. Where's the bikes? Yes, brother. Sweet, bro. So we just rolled up. Freaking hell, 1, 2, 3, 4 H2s. Yeah, I didn't want playing when he said that. Is that all good here, my bro? How's it going, brother?
Good, man.
Nice to meet you, man. You with Adam, man, ain't it?
Huh?
You with Adam?
Nah, I am, yeah.
Yeah, whole group, innit? Yes.
They're
They're eating? Ah, but I'm gonna chill, man. I just ate food.
I The only one I like there.
You like this?
You're Italian.
Italian? Perfect.
This is the master, right?
Yeah, no, I love it. I love it, I love it. Yeah, man, my Italian bikes and cars.
It's like the Ferrari as a car.
Exactly.
It's
The bike of that, exactly.
bike of the Ferrari.
I've seen half my clients driving around today.
Oh, it's a lot of Ferraris.
Yeah, yeah.
A lot of them. What's going on?
Every Saturday, every weekend, they will come out.
But I thought it was. Yeah,
There's another one there.
this is true actually. Amazing black one. So it's not this one. It's, I can't remember the model. But
Yeah.
amazing.
No, man, I love them. Yeah. Oh, man, no, I love them. I do love them.
Yeah, well.
Beautiful cars. Thank you, thank you. Imagine my client at his boy's birthday. I had to put him on a bike. Bro! Oh no, I've been seeing that. That's all I keep seeing. Yeah, man. Shoot. Why? Oh the man, look at all these bikes. Damn, man. Jeez, YouTube. Yo. Look at the S1K, Busa, S1K, 4H2s, V4S, more S1Ks. Let's go S1K, and a bunch of crazy H2s. And it's my boy's one. Ah, let's ride. Right, this is gonna be mad. You just know it. We're about to shut down London completely. Come on, boy. Shutdown. What the hell, bro? Bad noise. Damn them H2s. And I need fuel. Woo! Biker boys. Shutdown. Shutdown. Bro. Madness. What kind of madness? I'm saying full that bike is mad. Oh! Oh, bro, my ears. Big gang. Eardrums. Police can't do nothing. Way too many of us.